Hi guys, today we will learn how to create bolts using three options, that is the corner points, central and rectangle. But first we will create some columns and then we will use the quick view tools to get a good view on that column with the correct UCS. So let's start. Okay, let me insert a column here. So that's my column, and I'm going to use a quick view tool to view the column from this side. So I select the quick view tool, select the column, select that arrow, and then press enter, 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 and I got the view. And this is the coordinate system I am getting. So let me move to the plan view, and here is the plan view. I want to create 4 bolts on this column where I pick 2 points, and I also want 35 mm edge distance from every edge. So let's start. So I'm going to select that tool. It's prompting me to select the objects. I select this object and press enter. Lower left corner here and upper right corner here, and here are the bolts. And here is the tool palette, and now to set the edge distance I go to distance, that is this tool, and then set the edge distance to 35 along X and 35 along Y, and I get these edge distances. However, you have seen that this bolt went through the top flange. If that is what you want, everything is good. But let's say I want the bolt to go through. In a lot of cases, if you are bolting through an SHS, you will want the bolt to go through. So how can you do that? You tick this off. Finish calculation at gap. The first gap is here, so they finished calculation here. But if you wanted to go through, untick it and the bolt will go through. Okay, let's create some bolts on this SHS. So I go to quick view, select that object, select the view direction, hit enter. View depth extension, I don't want 1000, I want, let's say, 200. And view extension along x-axis, again I want only 200, and y direction also I want only 200. And here is the view, and I go to plan view and I get this view. Alright, let's create some bolts on this SHS using this tool, which is rectangular center point. First I will have to isolate this object. That's what I normally do, so that's easier. But I'm going to use this tool, which is a quick view tool. So I'm going to select this tool. I want to put a bolt in this direction. So I select that object. I select this side, hit enter, view depth extension. I don't want to see 1000. If I see 1000, probably I will see this column as well. So I want to reduce it. I'll put it 200. X direction I will keep again 200. Y direction also I will keep at 200. Hit enter, and I got this view, and look at that one. X this way, Y this way. I go to plan view. Plan view. Okay, now let's create some bolts here using the center one. So here is the toolbar. So I pick that one, select the object, hit enter, and pick the midpoint. Okay, accidentally clicked a little bit away, it doesn't matter. So I got 5 bolts. So let's have a look at the bolts now. Now if I spin it around and have a look, the bolts are in the middle and it doesn't go anywhere. Now let me go to advanced steel properties, right click, and then I got this toolbar here, and finish calculation at the gap. So this one is actually nowhere, it's right in the middle. Finish calculation at the gap, nothing happens. It's still there. Okay. Okay, we got a hole here first. So yeah. So we should have either put, if we wanted holes only there, we should have put the bolts right there, or if we wanted holes only on this web, we should have put the bolts right here, or if we wanted through bolts, we should have put it here and then calculate. And now let's do that again. So here is the bolt, select object, press enter, center point. I am going to pick the midpoint here somewhere. Yeah, midpoint. And we got the bolts here, and let's have a look whether we got it right. Now it's still in the midpoint because it picked the center point of the line. So what I'm going to do here is again delete that and create a line. I'm going to create a line from here to here, and I'm going to select the midpoint of that line. Do that again. Select object, hit enter, and midpoint. Do that again. Select the line, select the object, hit enter, midpoint of this line, and we have the bolts going through. And if I look at the advanced steel properties now, here, if I do finish calculation at the gap, it will finish, it will stop there. Take it off, it will go through. If I want to change these bolts into holes, then what I do is right click, change it to holes, and the bolts disappeared and we have holes.